From the mother who's an amazing homemaker to the woman who is a CFO or CEO, today we're looking at bold watches for women in steel and gold. And we're going to actually choose two that we know will always stand out and stand the test of time. We're looking today at Rolex and Omega for an amazing comparison of just bold watches that a woman could actually wear that'll still give a nice feminine touch to it, but definitely says she is in the room and she is present and you must pay attention. When we're looking at that and we want to do a good comparison, we chose the 36 millimeters to be able to do so. As we celebrate the women in our lives, it is sometimes that we need to just stop and pay homage because they definitely create great spaces for us. There's an old saying, behind every great man is a greater woman, and I definitely believe that. But even standing on her own, she is fierce, phenomenal, and virtuous. So she deserves the pieces that definitely take our attention and deserves the compliment and that time that it takes to give it to her. As we take a look and dive a little bit deeper into the watches themselves, we actually have two designs that are nice competitors for each other. So they definitely give you a world of their own and a class of their own. However, still a lot of good similarities. We actually have three watches that are going to be listed here, and they're going to give us some differences. So we'll start off first with this classic. This one is going to be the paper white diamond dial. One of the arguments right now is white a color? And that's actually really fun because with this paper white color, it actually has almost zero color to it, which I find to be fantastic. It gives itself its own phenomenal space in the watch world and definitely can be one of those pieces that men can enjoy, but it definitely gives a nice luxurious feel for a woman as well. With the diamond marker accents on there, we do have VS quality diamonds that are going to be D to G in color for Rolex. So it's going to give you a nice clear diamond. It's going to give you one that also gives a lot of fire and sparkle to it for your everyday usage as well. This watch is also going to be equipped with an 18 karat Everose fluted bezel. The fluted bezel is one of those features that a lot of brands did have access to. However, Rolex did a patent on it that would actually last, and that patent would set their space where it would be one of those signature looks for Rolex when you see it. Omega recently, as soon as that patent ended, did jump back into that space and they said, you know what, we're going to do our own fluted bezel, but we're actually going to do ours with a tungsten steel so that we know it's going to be a little bit harder to actually damage or to get nicks, dents, or dings inside of. But Rolex has done it for so long and done it so well that the bezels themselves are definitely one of those features that when you look and see it, you automatically think Rolex and believe in luxury. This piece also on a Jubilee bracelet gives us some really fine looks, something that's a little bit more detailed and a little bit more feminine touch to the actual wear itself. Now, as a gentleman who wears a Jubilee bracelet, I can do both the Oyster as well as Jubilee, but I like the final touch that it gives, just a little bit different class when I'm looking at the bracelet itself. Easy for me to dress up or dress down, and I believe that a lot of women actually enjoy this for that same reason. However, you can always do an Oyster bracelet as well in a 36 as a woman, and it'll give it a little bit more of a sporty feel. So that one would go from casual to dress, whereas this, you could always dress up or dress down. It's really made to fit into your lifestyle. And when we speak of fitting into your lifestyle, we can easily transition ourselves into the mother of pearl. Now, that first reference is actually going to be one that everyone loves when we talk about the Jubilee bracelet, simply because it has the hidden clasp. With the hidden clasp that's on this bracelet as well, it feels a little bit more like a piece of jewelry for a lot of women. They love the endless look of it because it definitely gives you that distinction of feeling like it never ends. And that's really fun. But in the most modern version of it, Rolex has actually made that new change. So now there's going to actually be a clasp back on it with the hard tab, and you would actually have the 18 karat Everose gold going through it. Now, where this actually comes in handy, or what feature it gives you something different in, is the simple fact that with this one, there is a summer-winter extension that you can use and actually just pull down. And when you do so, it's actually going to extend. And it gives you just a little bit more length. So if you are swelling throughout the day, you know that your body temperature may change. You become a little bit warmer, a little bit cooler. You have the ability to pull that out for extension, or you can always fold it close. You'll hear it snap. And when you hear it snap, guess what that means? It's back in for you as well. So that also makes it a little bit tighter for you. So throughout your daily wear and daily functionality, you have the ability to adjust the watch. So you can always choose whether you love the more endless bracelet look or something that you can adjust, something that's going to be able to be quickly done on the fly for you. Another feature for this watch that we chose is simply because the mother of pearl dial. Now, the mother of pearl for Rolex is cut from a single sheet. That means that the mother of pearl that they're using, you have a lot more waste. Now, somebody's going to pay for it, and fortunate for you, it is going to be you, simply because the mother of pearl dial is a lot more luxurious as well. So when we do that with the diamonds, it gives us something that's really nice. But we pulled this one too because it gives us a nice comparison. When we actually move to the Omega is going to be 18 karat gold and steel as well. Now with this particular Omega, the watch itself is going to give you that rose color as well. Now, Omega is a little bit different. This is going to be called Sedna gold, and this is their trademark gold. And the reason that they do their own trademarks on this is simply because the gold will never turn back yellow. That was one of the things that used to happen a lot of times because gold can actually come in multiple colors. It can be red gold, it can be green gold, the classic yellow, and also white. So knowing that their gold will not turn back, they've made chemical solutions that actually make it where it stays and keeps its color, which is definitely fun. For this particular one, you do have that smoothed or domed bezel on the watch itself, which does give it a little bit sportier feel, but still with the mother of pearl and the diamonds, it gives you something too that you can easily dress up or dress down. So whether you're wearing it to the Grammys or maybe it's just game night with friends, this is that fun piece that every woman can actually enjoy. She can have that nice, strong, bold look, but still get all the femininity that she wants out of the watch, because it's not the watch that's wearing her. She's wearing the watch. But we want to know what your choices would be out of these, or maybe there's something else that you've seen on SwissWatchExpo.com that stood out to you. Tell us in the comments below, share your experience, because we do know that for you, these things count.